Hi, I am Patrick from the Visualcoach, and this is playing around with Ubuntu, NGINX, and the web page that you can serve, and of course streaming video. This is a playlist, so in this particular video I'm just going to be very short. I'm just going to save myself some annoyance by setting Ubuntu itself to better settings, because now after a few minutes the screen goes off when I don't touch the keyboard, so that's annoying. So let's have a look of what's going on. All right. On the top right corner we have a power mode, and if we open that power mode we can go to the power settings. Good. Give it a second. We're going to set it to performance. We're going to dim the screen, no. Automatic power saver, no. Screen blank, never. When we are on battery power, then okay, 2 hours. Then you can shut off. And else on battery on power outlet connection, no, don't shut off. So this is all good. And oh, it's a laptop. It's an old laptop, an HP. Ooh, what's an HP? HP Envy 360 X360, and then it's convertible, so you can has touchscreen. You can fold it and use it as a tablet. It's old. It's 8 to 9 years old. 9 years. So done all that, then we have something with the mouse, because this white mouse is my Windows mouse and this little black mouse is my Ubuntu mouse. So let's go and change that in the accessibility, and then let's see that we have seeing. We go to the cursor side and we pick a bigger cursor so you guys can see what I'm pointing to. Right. That's all for this video. In the next video, we're going to continue with NGINX again. And we're going to try to get the streaming RTPM section going. Right, thanks for watching. And don't forget, it's a playlist. So give it a thumbs up if you like it. Even if you don't see where it's going, you can always take it off again. Helps others to find it. And if I'm talking about, if you wanna do a subscription, fine. I'm happy with that. You wanna ask a question? Just ask questions in the chat over here, and I'll do my best. But remember, I'm a newbie in Ubuntu, so that might be sometimes a bit of a surprise what I'm gonna answer, or I might even mess it up. See you in the next video.